more. Hello friends, hello uncles. Welcome to another episode of Jackson Garage. Today I'm just going to show you a few short little clips on the 1948 Chev truck. I'm going to be putting the engine together and we'll see if we get it running or not. But essentially the idea is to put the entire truck together to see what's there, to see what's not, and we will go from there. This is my dad's truck, which he wants to get rid of, and I said, no, you will not get rid of it, I will put it together. Excellent. Enjoy this short little video. Jackson Garage's next project, which will run concurrently with all the other projects that Jackson Garage is doing. So this is a Chev truck door, 1948. There's a Chev rear tailgate, so that when the tailgate is down, we can tailgate and get ratchet. Here's another door. Some other parts. This is the 1950, I believe. Front grille, which is the sort of thicker. It's got the thicker bars going across, not the multiple bars. This looks like old MG stuff. There's some window frames, etc. Chev front dashboard stuff. Some tractor stuff, springs. Here's the 48 grille over there. Those could be the rims. Some more springs. This looks like the differential. This is the tappet cover. This is the oil pan, or the sump. Cheers.